Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. How are you today, sweetie? It is an amazing day. I am super excited about today's video. Today I decided to share some helpful slime hacks with you guys. This is a super exciting video for me today because you guys, I just came out with my second slime book today. This past year has been so crazy and so amazing. I cannot put in words how grateful I am. It's been a little bit over a year since my first slime book came out, and wow, I did not expect this book to do so well. Thank you so much to each and every one of you that purchased that book. Every day I'm so shook at how amazing and how supportive you guys are, and I just want to say thank you. I never ever envisioned my life turning out to be what it is right now. It is something that has never like actually settled in. I don't know, when things like this happen, like when I come out with like a new product or whatever, like it's exciting. I don't know, it's so weird for stuff like this to come to life. Like I know there's people that think I'm cringy or whatever, or you think slime is cringy and stuff, but the reality is this is my career. Like I've made a career out of this, you know what I mean? And it's just like, it is crazy. I can't even process it at times. I started doing videos a little bit over 3 years ago. Soon after I started doing videos, a few months in, I started doing slime videos. So it's been almost 3 years since I started doing slime on my channel, and I never expected it to be such a big part of my life. The first slime tutorial I did was going to be just another DIY video on my channel. The response was so well, and I just started doing weird stuff with slime, and one thing led to another, and now I'm here. It's crazy how slime is always evolving. In the past year, slime has evolved so much. It's not just glue and activator now, y'all. There's scents, there's so many different textures, ASMR, everything. It's a whole world. There is kid entrepreneurs that have their slime shops that are making money. They're making thousands of dollars. Like this is employing a lot of people. This is crazy. I feel like if you're not in the slime community and you don't know much about that, you probably think slime is cringy. And I understand because they don't get it, you know? I promise you, if you follow just 1 or 2 slime accounts on Instagram, you're gonna be sucked in like a black hole. The community gets bigger and bigger. New slimes are coming out literally every day. My new slime book has 15 next level recipes with scents, textures, and even hacks on how to make the best out of your slime. In my new book, I talk about slimers who have legit changed the game, who have created slimes that will forever be iconic. In this video, I wanna give you guys a few sneak peeks of what's inside. As of today, my book is in every bookstore, and I will also make sure to link it down below. If you do get my book, make sure to tweet me or tag me on Instagram and I will follow you. I know this intro is getting a little bit long, but before I begin, I want to tell you guys that I'm coming to the UK in legit 1 week. I'm having 2 book signings in the UK. The first one is in Manchester at WH Smith on May 31st, and it will be from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. The second book signing will be in Bluewater on June 2nd from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. I will leave the links down below to get your tickets, and tickets are free. You just need to pay for your book the day of the signing, or you can buy your book right now and just take it to the signing. I'm so excited to meet my friends, you guys, in the UK. I've never been, and I'm just like, oh my, I'm so excited to take pictures with you guys and just hang out and just have a good time. It's gonna be so much fun. I know this was a lot, but I'm super excited. Ow! Let's get straight into this video. So the first slime making hack or just tip or trick is where to get your scents. I feel like a lot of people, I don't know why, are like weird about giving away their secret ingredients or whatever. Well, I mean, I understand because, you know, some people have shops, and like if you know how to make their exact slime, like what's the point, you know, because they want to sell it or whatever. But I mean, I know how to make slime, but I buy it all the time anyway. I know 3 major websites that a lot of big slimers get their scents from: Nature's Garden, Just Scent, and Virginia Candle Supply. I know for a fact those are some websites that a lot of people use and that I use, that Squishy Bunny, my fiance, uses. And it's so much cheaper than getting it on Amazon. On Amazon you get like the 1 ounce ones. They're expensive. They don't have a lot of scents. You really need to go to those websites to get the crazy like cereal scents and like all that stuff. For example, you can get a blueberry scent on Amazon, but on these websites there's like 30 different types, like blueberry cream, blueberry muffin, blueberry cake, blueberry this, blueberry ice cream. Like every scent you need in the world is on those websites, and I hope nobody is like mad about it. I'm not trying to expose anybody. Like this is where I get them, and I don't mind saying where I get them, but also I know that a lot of big slimers get their scents there, so I hope nobody comes for me. See, I'm exposing myself because those are the scents that I use. Recently, I feel like I've seen it more people be more open about where they get their scents, so that's a cool little trick. So much cheaper. All right, this next trick slash hack or whatever you want to call it is how to make cloud slime. This exact recipe is actually in my book. I feel like there's a lot of cloud slime tutorials. Even I've done a cloud slime tutorial, but cloud slime is so hard to make. It really needs a lot of practice. It's a very, very, very tricky slime to get down. But today I'm gonna show you how to make a regular size batch that will come out with a perfect drizzle. So I'm gonna put 4 ounces of some regular glue, just regular PVA glue. It doesn't have to be like glue or anything. That's to make like the thick slimes. For this recipe, I'm doing the contact solution and the baking soda method, a borax-free method, just because I know there's a lot of people that are not open to borax and that think it's like not safe or whatever. And that's why all 15 recipes are borax-free in the book. And about 1/4 of a tablespoon of lotion, which is equivalent to a few pumps. You can add the paint after you activate it or before. Same thing, potato, potato. My scent, I'm using brownie batter and you just need a tiny bit because this is a little batch. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna take 4 teaspoons of instant snow. For the water, I'm actually gonna add 5.5 tablespoons. Once your snow is activated, you're actually gonna notice that it's not fully activated. There could be way more water in here. We just don't wanna add way too much because then it doesn't give me the, well, for me personally, it doesn't give me the cloud slime that I want. When you start to mix, it kind of starts to melt on you at first, and that's totally normal. Just keep kneading. The snow is actually gonna start soaking up the slime. As you can see, it's getting way better, and this is the exact same one that I've been using. I haven't added more snow, I haven't added more activator. I've just been kneading it and letting the snow soak up the moisture. The biggest thing I would say is, before adding more, mix it really well. Let it all absorb really good before you decide to add more snow. So you could either drizzle it like this, but I feel like that doesn't get the best out of it. What I've seen personally works best for drizzles is fluffing it up and then doing this, taking the middle of it like this, and then I feel like it just looks smoother. And yeah, that's my version of the best that I can get my cloud slimes. I love cloud slime. So next we're gonna compare Glue-All and regular Elmer's glue to show you how big the difference is to make literally a thick slime. People are more open about it now, but I feel like at one point everyone was like weird about showing how to make a thick slime. And I think the only real secret is Glue-All, honestly. Glue-All regular. When using Glue-All, like 99% of the time, I add in a little bit of clear because Glue-All is so thick. And also I feel like the clear makes it even thicker and just glossy, so. And obviously you could use your own activator. Today I'm just using baking soda and contact solution. Here is the regular glue one, regular school glue. Okay, so regular school glue and Glue-All. The difference is that this one is much thicker. Regular Elmer's glue, I feel like it's thinner and it also has like a fluffier type of consistency. Like it looks fluffier. And it's a little bit jigglier because it's thinner. I find it way harder to like playing with one hand with regular glue. And then these, they're so easy to play with one-handed and they're just, if you haven't hopped on the Glue-All trend, like girl. I also have another thick recipe in my book that is excluding the clear and replacing something else to make it even thicker. We love a thick queen. Next up is how to make a super glossy slime. Now there's a lot of people that use like glue on just because like they want it thicker, but I've noticed just adding clear in general thickens your slime. This recipe is actually in my book as well. Spilling a lot of beans here, but I'm gonna go with some glue and clear glue. For the clear glue, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more than I did of the white one. Let's go in with some baby oil and some lotion. Do you see how it's just naturally thicker because it has the clear in it? It just naturally made it so much thicker. Because it's a fresh batch, you can't tell how glossy it'll be. If you compare it to this one, it's gonna be much glossier because of the clear in it. This right here is an example of how it would look because this has clear glue in it and it's been sitting. And these both are the same thing except this one has no lotion, no nothing, no clear glue in it. This one is made basically with clear glue, lotion, baby oil, anything that you could imagine, very similar to this one. Anything that's gonna make it shiny and smooth is in here. For overactivated slimes, for example this, where it just tears or it's way too thick, don't throw it away. You can easily fix it with either lotion, oil, or what I like to do is put a scent on it. If I overactivate a slime and I don't want it to be too soft, because I feel like sometimes when you add too much lotion, you can go overboard to the point that it feels like it has too much lotion. I can always tell when there's too much lotion in a slime. So a good method is to go in with some scent. It's basically an oil, you're scenting it at the same time, and it's gonna get it much stretchier. I'm gonna go in with some baby oil, a little bit of that, a little bit of scent. And that's what I like to do to fix my overactivated slimes. Sometimes I even pop them in the microwave for a few seconds. Also, another method that I've done a lot is taking my really stiff slime. I put it in a microwave safe plate. I put some water in it and I pop it in the microwave for 10-second intervals. And when I take it out, I just mix in the water and it kind of becomes a little bit jigglier, but it saves your slime. Like when you cannot do it with lotion, like this will save your slime. So if you have no access to glue for whatever reason, because it's sold out, a lot of the times that's the case, you can make slime with face masks. And well, not just any face mask. It has to be the peel off ones. Peel off means it likely has PVA in it. Anywhere from peel off face masks to the peel off lipsticks and all that, you can legit make slime with all that. It makes nice, clear, nice scented slime because it's literally a face mask. This is legit like $2. $3 max if I'm wrong. It's cheaper than glue and it works the same. I feel like it makes softer slime than actual glue because it's meant to be a face mask and it's meant to be soothing. So it's actually way softer. It's so crazy. So another trick that I've learned with playing with slime, especially clears, is that clears, no matter how activated they are, they can be stickier than white-based glue. I'm used to playing with slime, so I kind of feel like I can handle it. But if you're someone with really dry hands or really hot hands in general, adding lotion to your hands will automatically make it so much easier for you to hold the slime without it sticking to you. This is actually not that overactivated. Like this can be sticky. I feel like the lotion's helping me a lot right now. And of course, now that I've been playing with it, now it's getting foggy because I've been playing with it and getting air bubbles in there. So I feel like the most important trick or tip or hack would be how to get slime out of carpet, how to get it off your hair. I've got slime in my hair to the point that I was on the verge of just cutting my hair off the time that I did the 3 a.m. video. But luckily my fiance Raul knew a method with citric acid because he had did an experiment one time on how to deactivate slime. We put citric acid in my hair and it completely just came off. Citric acid is basically the stuff that's on really sour candies. Basically something really similar is a lemon. I'm really just gonna put this in my hair because I trust that it works. So, oh my god, this is so cringy right now. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is like nightmare right here. I hate when this happens, but it's happened before. Oh my god, it's in my hair. It's like in there. Definitely in my hair now. I'm not gonna freak out because I know that this method works, but I'm freaking out. Oh my god. I'm not tripping, I know this works. I just hate slime in my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna add some lemon. It's melting it, oh thank goodness. I'm telling you guys, like this stuff works wonders. Especially citric acid, it works so good. This would work, hop in the shower, bring a lemon with you, and it will totally, the mix of the water and the lemon will work wonders. I mean, this is completely melting off already, and you should have no trouble getting it off in the shower. Ew. I mean, it's literally just like melting off, like glue, like literally actual glue. And my hair is good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, tips, tricks, / like hacks on slime making. For more recipes and tips and tricks in slime, then check out my new slime recipe book. I'm gonna make sure to link it down below. And remember, if you get the book, make sure to tweet me on Twitter or tag me on Instagram for a follow. Also, don't forget that I'm coming to the UK in literally a week. So if you're anywhere near Blue Water, I believe London is closer there, right? I've never been, and Manchester. So if you guys want to come through, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your friends, come through. I would love to meet you guys, and I hope to see you there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!